Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So today we're going to be doing some air fried barbecue chicken wings. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, the first thing we're going to be doing is to do a marinade for our chicken wings. So fam, if you want your chicken wings to be crispy, go ahead and add some baking powder and mix well before you pour in your marinade. So far, we're going to let our chicken marinate for an hour, and in the meantime, we're going to be doing a buttermilk ranch dip. And there we go fam, now that our dip is ready, we're going to set it aside and go back to the chicken. So fam, we're going to line our chicken in a air fryer tray and let it bake for about 18 minutes. So fam, do not forget to flip your chicken when it's halfway through so that it doesn't get burnt on one side. So far, my chicken wings are ready. Oh my god, give yourself a treat as usual. Thank you so much for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.